Good morning students. Today's interesting topic is historical places. In this lesson we are going to learn about some historical places in Tamil Nadu. First let us see about what are historical places. The places where buildings, idols and arts were made long ago. The government keeps them safe are called historical places. பல ஆண்டுகளுக்கு முன்பு உருவாக்கப்பட்ட கட்டடங்கள், சிலைகள் மற்றும் பல கலைப்பொருட்கள் கொண்டுள்ள இடங்களை தான் வரலாற்று சிறப்புமிக்க இடங்கள் அப்படின்னு சொல்றோம். First let us see about Mahabalipuram. Mahabalipuram is located near Chennai. Temples at Mahabalipuram were built by 3 generations of the Pallava kings and it took nearly 200 years to plan and create the site. It has 4 different styles of architectures. Most of the monuments were made out of just one stone. மகாபலிபுரத்தில் உள்ள கோவில்கள் 3 தலைமுறை பல்லவ மன்னர்களால் கட்டப்பட்டுள்ளன. இவ்வகை கோயில்களை கட்டுவதற்கு ஏறக்குறைய 200 ஆண்டுகள் ஆயின. Seashore Temple is at Mahabalipuram. The Seashore Temple is so named because it overlooks the shore of the Bay of Bengal. Let us see about Fort St. George. Fort St. George is located in Chennai. It is the first English fort in India. இது ஆங்கிலேயர்களால் முதலாக இந்தியாவில் கட்டப்பட்ட கோட்டை. The fort has a museum and a church. The Secretariat of Tamil Nadu is also inside the fort. அருங்காட்சியகமும் தேவாலயமும் கோட்டையினுள் உள்ளன. தமிழக அரசின் தலைமை செயலகமும் கோட்டையினுள் தான் உள்ளது. Let us see about Thiruvalluvar statue. Thiruvalluvar statue is in Kanyakumari. The statue is so tall, it is 133 feet tall. Children, does 133 remind you of anything? Yes, Tirukkural has 133 adhikarams or chapters. That statue's height denotes the number of chapters in Tirukkural. The statue is built on the rock which is surrounded by Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. Let us see about Thanjavur Periya Kovil. This is the very famous temple. Thanjavur Periya Kovil, also known as Pragadishwara Temple. It was built by Rajaraja Cholan. The Nandi inside the temple was built using a single stone. Another interesting fact about the temple is that the shadow of the main temple does not fall on the ground. தஞ்சை பெரிய கோவில் ராஜராஜ சோழனால் கட்டப்பட்டது. இந்த கோவிலில் உள்ள நந்தி ஒரே கல்லினால் ஆனது. இக்கோயிலின் மற்றொரு சிறப்பு அம்சம் என்ன அப்படின்னா கோவிலின் கோபுர நிழல் தரையில் விழுவதில்லை. Let us see about Jinji Fort. Jinji Fort is one of the surviving fort in Tamil Nadu, India. It lies in Viluppuram district 160 km from Chennai and it close to the Union Territory of Puducherry. This is one of the oldest forts in Tamil Nadu. Children, now let us answer the book back exercise. Choose the correct answer. Seashore Temple is at Mahabalipuram. Fort St. George is at Chennai. There are 4 styles of architectures at Mahabalipuram. Thiruvalluvar Road, Tirukkural. Nandi in Thanjavur Periya Kovil was built with single stone. Match the following. Vivekananda Rock, Kanyakumari. Museum, St. George Fort. Jinji Fort, Viluppuram. Mahabalipuram, Pallavas. Periya Kovil, Cholas. Answer the following. What are inside the fort St. George? A museum and a church are inside the fort St. George. Write a short note on Thiruvalluvar statue. Thiruvalluvar statue is in Kanyakumari. It is 133 feet tall. Name the 3 water bodies which are surrounded the Thiruvalluvar statue. Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean and Bay of Bengal. Who built Thanjavur Periya Kovil? Write any special features of the temple. Rajaraja Cholan built Thanjavur Periya Kovil. Special feature, the Nandi inside the temple was built using a single stone. The temple is that the shadow of the main temple does not fall on the ground. Describe the Jinji Fort. Jinji Fort is one of the surviving forts in Tamil Nadu, India. It lies in Viluppuram district 160 kilometers from Chennai. Activity: list any 5 places you have visited. Stick the photo of any one place. Thank you.